In Buddhism, an anagami Sanskrit and Pali for non-returning is a partially enlightened person who has cut off the first 5 chains that bind the ordinary mind. Anagamis are the third of the 4 aspirants. Anagamis are not reborn into the human world after death, but into the heaven of the pure abodes, where only anagamis live. There they attain full enlightenment, arahantship. The Pali terms for the specific chains or fetters Pali, samyojana, of which an anagami is free are Sakkayaditthi, belief in Atman or self, Salabhata paramasa, attachment to rites and rituals, Vicikiccha, skeptical doubt, Kama-raga, sensuous craving, Bhayapada, ill-willed fetters from which an anagami is not yet free are Ruparaga, craving for fine material existence, the first 4 jhanas, Aruparaga, craving for immaterial existence, the last 4 jhanas, Mana, conceit, Udicca, restlessness, Avijja, ignorancekamaraga and Bhayapada, which they are free from, can also be interpreted as craving for becoming and non-becoming, respectively. Anagamis are at an intermediate stage between Sakadagamis and Arahants. Arahants enjoy complete freedom from the 10 fetters. An anagami's mind is very pure. See also 4 stages of enlightenment, Fetter Buddhism. Notes. Sources: Thomas Rhys Davids and William Stede, eds. 1921-5. The Pali Text Society's Pali-English Dictionary. Chipstead, Pali Text Society. A general online search engine for the PED is available at http://dsal.uchicago.edu/dictionaries/pali/.